So far the truck drives really nice, shifts smooth. Sounds really, really good. You can hear that turbo whistle. I got the window cracked just a little bit. I'm gonna roll it back up. Brakes feel good. Steering's a little shaky, but we are on a lot of really bumpy roads. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report starting with the front right fender. Here on the fender, you can see this paint was cracking and it looks like it got touched up. A couple chips here and there. Otherwise, that fender looks good. The wheels need some polishing. There are some scratches and curb rash on them. Mirror looks good. Got the bullet antenna. Got a cracked spot right here in the paint with some rust underneath. A few minor scuffs, little chips. Got a ding and a scratch there. A couple scuffs here. You can see the paint in here is flaking off. Missing the trim piece there. Typical little scuffs and scratches. You can see some stuff is kind of flaking off here. It looks like the little plastic trim is missing. That wheel needs polished. Very minor curb rash. Got the big bed cover here. It's a vinyl. Custom taillights. Got some scratches in here, a little gash there. Typical little chips and stuff every once in a while. We have a ding here with a little bit of rust under it. Overall, though, this side looks good. And looking at this side of the bed, typical little scuffs and scratches. Got some larger ones here, little chips throughout that lower section. This wheel does have curb rash around it. You can see the wheel is kind of stained. It needs to be polished. Missing the trim piece here. Couple little scuffs and scratches. Little chip here. You do have damage on this mirror. It is cracked and the chrome is flaking off. Got a chip here with a little bit of rust. This trim is peeling up a little. That wheel has some curb rash on it. See a couple dings. This trim is kind of peeling off. All right, looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker. This door panel looks amazing. Got the smart liners. This bolster looks perfect. This bottom side looks almost brand new. You do have a hole right here and a lot of wear on this bolster and a lot of cracking. Got a steering wheel cover here. I don't know what the condition of the steering wheel is. Got your edge screen. All of this looks amazing. Your power pedals, parking sensors. Trailer brake controller. Overall, that dash looks good. Got some scratches on the console, but otherwise looks like all the other seats. Here on the back left door panel, overall looks amazing. A couple tiny scuffs here on the seats. Got a little wear on this edge. Definitely have your little scratches and scuffs. We have a hole up here. Little kind of cracking every once in a while. But otherwise, that looks good. We got some scratches here on the back. Got the all-weather mat. Headliner looks good. Looking at this door panel, you do have a gash right here, but the rest of that looks really good. Got some wear on the edge. And typical wear here in the middle. Got some cracking. I don't see any holes or any really big gashes, so overall that seat looks nice. Dash looks good. All of this looks clean. It had a digital mirror. It looks like the glue came off, so we'll see if we can't get that put back on. It's like a LED upgraded digital rearview mirror. Everything else still looks good. Looking at the engine bay, overall looks nice and clean. The underliner does have some rips, but for the mileage, this looks really good.